So as you all know, I'm constantly looking for cars to either change, flip, or do something funky with them. This one came across my um, path, and well, I had to snatch it up. '07 Corolla. Um, Threw it up on the trailer, got it over to my buddies to have him take a look, and started digging into it. We did find a nice little buddy here. Uh, So make sure you're always changing your cabin filters. But Gunner approved. So I started working on it. Alright, so we're working on a 2007 Toyota Corolla CE. And I've already removed the transmission. Pretty actually really simple. I can probably show a install video. But the reason it's coming out, look at this flywheel, or this pressure plate. This is the clutch disc. Yeah, she's down to the rivets. She was slipping real bad. And then here's the flywheel. So we're gonna go down to a shop and get this resurfaced, and I'll show you the after. So just dropped off the clutch off, or flywheel off at Proven Force. We'll see how it turns out, and I'll see you next. So picked up the flywheel, got it back from Performance Clutch. As always, amazing job. So again, with part shortage right now, well, we need some rotors, and well, they're coming. One is coming from a different store, the other one's coming from a different store. I was only able to pick up the brake pads. The clutch kit that I need and the rear main seal are coming from a different store. So part stores are getting pretty scarce. Give it time, and I'll have this back together. But again, it's going to be a longer project than I thought. And I'll keep you guys updated on progress here. Alright, we got it all buttoned back up. Checking out the new clutch. Gunner, my co-pilot's going for a ride. We did have this project done, and actually, if I had all the parts right away, would have took 2 days. But yeah, let's take this for a spin, and we'll see how it goes. Little did I know that test drive would turn into a track day.